Good day everyone, welcome to Achievers Academy. Here we make learning simple, clear and easy to understand. Every lesson is explained step by step to help you learn better, pass your exam and achieve your goals. As you enjoy our video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you don't miss any lesson. Thank you very much.
Welcome to today's chemistry class. Today we will learn what chemistry is, its branches, uses, states of matter, physical and chemical changes, and finally, elements, compounds, and mixtures. Let's start with the chemistry itself. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, properties, structure, and changes of matter. In a simple way, chemistry is the study of everything around us and how substances behave and change. Whenever food cooks, iron rusts, or fuel burns, chemistry is taking place. Chemistry has 5 major branches: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry. Now let's look at the uses of chemistry. Chemistry plays an important role in almost every aspect of our daily lives. It helps in producing medicines, soap, cement, and other useful products. Chemistry is also used in food preservation, water treatment, and the production of fuels. Let's move to the states of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter exists in 3 common states: solid, liquid, and gas. A solid has a definite shape and volume. Examples include stone, wood, and books. A liquid has a definite volume but takes the shape of its container. Examples include water, milk, etc. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Examples include oxygen, cooking gas, etc. An important point to note is that water is the only common substance that naturally exists in all 3 states of matter: ice as a solid, water as a liquid, and steam as a gas. Let's look at the changes matter undergoes. Matter undergoes 2 types of changes: physical change and chemical change. Now to the both changes. A physical change does not produce a new substance. Examples include melting ice and boiling water. A chemical change produces a new substance. Examples are rusting of iron and burning wood. Finally, elements, compounds, and mixtures. An element contains 1 type of atom. A compound contains 2 or more elements chemically combined together. A mixture is a group of substances that is physically combined together.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you don't miss any lesson. Thank you very much.